Hey, here's how to set password on Instagram app using your iPhone. So first you have to go to your device settings and open up Face ID and passcode option. Now enter your lock screen passcode. Here you have to make sure passcode is enabled on your device. If you don't have one set, just create a passcode first. But in my case, you can see it's already enabled. Now go back to your Instagram app. You will notice that there's no passcode required by default. So now to fix this, you just have to tap and hold on the Instagram app icon, and from the menu, you have to select record passcode option. But if your device has Face ID enabled, you will see record Face ID option like this. And go for record passcode again. And now you have to enter your lock screen passcode to confirm. And that's it. Now whenever you try to open up your Instagram, you'll be asked to enter your lock screen passcode or Face ID. Isn't it really easy to say? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.